Well, we're live again here at the Kroger on Dunwoody Road. We're doing another cooking demonstration here with Chef Michelle. Looks like she's making some items here. Looks like you got some Kim Crawford Sauvignon Blanc going on here. We have some Meiomi Pinot Noir. And we got some Robert Mondavi Private Selection Cabernet. Let's see what she's cooking real quick here.
So you can see that it has a lot of great flavor. Hey, we are cooking today. We have our chicken with a mushroom cream sauce today using our Kim Crawford, our amazing Kim Crawford Sauvignon Blanc. This is Marlborough, true Sauvignon Blanc, come from New Zealand. Nice crispness, lots of mineral, lots of citrus. We get some nice green herbaceous notes. And so that's what we're cooking with. So you can put this, our recipe super easy. You can put this over pasta. We're doing chicken, so what you're going to do is you're going to saute your chicken first, add a little bit of garlic and onion, let that saute. Then you're going to go ahead and add your wine and let that glaze out. What the glaze is that all the alcohol is going to evaporate. So you have all that goodness. So then once everything is cooked, you're just going to add a little bit of the whipping cream here and let that all come together, which is beautiful. And I have the recipe right here for you.
Which smells good.
Yes, and then we finish it off with a little bit of our gourmet garden basil. So this is 3 months in the fridge, a year in the freezer. There's no cutting. It's already done and ready for you. And it's a great time saver because you don't have to chop, and there's no waste. And especially with basil, you know basil just deteriorates overnight. This, all you do is just throw it in. Great for garnish, great for everything. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to our second wine. We have 3 wines today. We are tasting Meiomi, which means the coast. So this one is Santa Barbara, Sonoma, and Monterey counties. This is the #1 selling Pinot Noir. Beautiful berry, nice fruit on the nose, beautiful subtle finish. Just think of raspberry jam. This one is perfect with a grilled salmon, perfect with charcuterie, you know, pair it with some nice hard cheeses. Just amazing. And so then the next one that we're going to show, and this is brand new, from Robert Mondavi, which is also California. So we have our Meiomi, which is California, Kim Crawford, which is Sauvignon Blanc, and then our Robert Mondavi. Now this has been aged 6 months in bourbon barrels. So it's a little bit more intense, a little bit higher alcohol. This one is 14.5. Normal wine is normally about 13.5. This one has a really nice tannin finish. You're going to get a little bit of that bourbon barrel to it. It's going to have deeper, richer cinnamon tones to it, some deep spices.
So if you want to see this recipe, click on the link below. You can get a copy of the recipe for yourself. So once again, we're live at Kroger Dunwoody. And remember, drink responsibly.
Here you go. Yes. And then if you like the Sauvignon Blanc, that is what we're here for. So all of these wines are great drinking wines, great wines for celebrations, great wines for every day. So again, thank you. I'd love for you to go ahead and grab some.
This the last one?
Yes, this was the first one in that with the Sauvignon Blanc. I like the white. Yeah. You're going to be nice? All right. Well, wonderful. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm going to try that. Yes, and here is your recipe right here, so take that with you. Those are $3.99. They're $1 off, and they're over in the produce section. So, yeah, you can go ahead and grab it right there and take one of those too.
I already got one of those.
All right.
But you said you can keep them.
Yeah, you just keep them in the refrigerator, or you can even keep them in the freezer. They last a year in the freezer, and you can use it straight from the freezer. They're lightly dried, so they will last, you know, a good 6 months to a year, no problem. Yes.
Thanks so much.
Great idea. Thank you.